So swinging a bouncer back up the middle, diving a ton by him.
So this year when Children's Dream Fund reached out to me and wanted me to style the show, I thought, how can we elevate it and really make it different from years past? And that's when I thought, in the pursuit of excellence, let's bring in David Kahn with Bespoke & Company. He makes custom men's suits. So instead of fitting the Rays with clothing that's off the rack, we had time. We chose the fabrics, the patterns, the colors. It's a beautifully crafted show from beginning to end. And we're mixing a lot of print on print this year for the ladies.
All right.
Yeah, 2 segments, 1 casual, 1 formal.
Okay.
The formal is not going to be traditional gowns.
Right.
We're going to do a lot of jumpers and bold colors and florals and stuff. The team is young, so we wanted to keep the fashion really fun and young as well.
Fun and
So I'll see you backstage as I style Rays on the Runway 2019, benefiting the Children's Dream Fund. Do not miss it.